the argument of the CPP is that the Philippine mode of production is semi-colonial, semi-feudal. Has the mode of production changed? That's the first aspect of your question. The mode of production has undoubtedly developed. And anyone who wants to claim that the line that was written in 1969 regarding the Philippine economy reflects post-globalization Philippines is blinded, willfully blinded, to the conditions of the economy in the Philippines at present, and probably could only write such a line if they were in the Netherlands. But I would like to go further back. I don't think the Philippines was semi-colonial, semi-feudal at the time that the line was written. Capitalism is not a national development. One does not suss out the condition of economics in a specific nation independent of the global market and then say this particular economy is capitalist, not capitalist. No, world economy is capitalist. The Philippines is inextricably connected to the world economy. World capitalist economy is combined and uneven in its development, and thus the Philippine economy is combined and uneven in its development. But it is, and has been since the onset of modern industrial capitalism, capitalist. For all of its agricultural character and so on, capitalism isn't fundamentally about industrialization. Capitalism is fundamentally about a global system of wage labor and commodity production that is in some of its centers is industrialized, in some areas agricultural, but it is a world system, not a national system. The debate is fundamentally a nationalist debate, reflecting the perspective of the CPP, a nationalist perspective, and I think the perspective of a critique of that must be internationalist.